Good afternoon, my name is Paolo Prono. I am the Executive Director of Borini Prono Nig Ltd. We are here on the first joint of the third Mainland bridge. We have demolished part of the asphalt thickness. Then we have prepared the bed of the joint with a special mortar. What you see here is the rubber joint. So we have completed the position of the bolt. Now the joint is completed. This is just a piece of what we use to fix the joint. For the other joint, we have already started the demolition of the third joint. We will remove the existing one and fix the new one that is ready for the laydown.